All right, I hope everyone had a great weekend. And we're going to start off today talking about surface area. But I just wanted to let you guys know we're changing up our notes. We're kind of going to go back to what our notes were like before, doodle notes, because I know that you guys didn't bring those home. And I don't want you to have to print them all out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go, if you have a notebook or a piece of paper, we're going to go through the notes and of what surface area is, and you're going to do an IXL practice for today. So today we are going to do surface area and your essential statement. Also, if you want to create me a better this, that would be awesome because I'm not very artistic, but I know you guys are. So if you want to create me something, please feel free. Okay, so the essential statement for today is that I can find the surface area of a figure. All right, so we're going to start off with a definition. Okay, so a definition of surface area is, it's of a 3D figure. It always has to be 3D. It's the sum of the area of all the surfaces. So to give you an example, if I take this book, it's a 3D book, right? 3D. And you guys are going to read this next year in 8th grade, but I have to take the area of all these surfaces. So you see there's 6 surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to take the sum of adding all of these areas, and that will be my surface area. So that's kind of an example of what surface area is, the outside. If you were to take the cover off of this and then also unfold that and unfold that, that would be surface area. So that's kind of a visualization. If you want to grab a book at home or any 3D object and kind of look and be like, okay, now I know what surface area is. So that is an example of what surface area is. Now to do it on paper is a little bit more complicated, but we can do it. I want to remind you what area is. Area is length times width, or some people use length times height for area. So I'm going to take some time. I already drew this figure out, but you can try drawing it at home. Pause the video and then try drawing that figure. Use pencil, obviously, you can erase it, everything. So pause the video. Okay, so I assumed you paused the video and you drew a awesome cube. So we need to find the surface area of the whole figure. So we're going to start with looking at what the area of the front and back is. So if you look at the front, this is the front section. So my front is going to be in this nice blue color, okay? And it's going to be 12 times 6. So I'm going to write that right here, 12 times 6. And we know also the back is the same thing. Okay, so this is my back right here. Okay, so that's my back portion. And that's also 12 times 6. Okay, and I'm just going to do the math now. 12 times 6 is, anyone? Great, it's 72. Okay, so our front is 72 inches and our back is 72 inches. So those are 2 surfaces. All right, now we're going to find the side. So the side, I'm going to put that in red. Our sides are over here. All right, so the side, we have 15 times 6. Okay, so we have 15 times 6. I'm going to write this right here. 15 times 6. And on this side, it's also 15 times 6. Does anyone know 15 times 6? All right, so 15 times 6 is 90 inches and 90 inches. Okay, So the last surface that we have is the top and the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to put that in purple. This is the top portion, and that is the bottom portion. Okay, this bottom right here. I'm going to outline that in purple. That is the bottom. All right, so our top, we are taking, bottom is going to be easier for me, 12 times 15. So 12 times 15 is my top, because I know that my bottom is also 12 times 15. Okay, does anyone know what 12 times 15 is? All right, well, it is 180 inches. 180 inches. Okay, so we found all the different surfaces. Now, what we do with all those different surfaces is that we add them because we need to find the sum. And sum means to add. So what we are going to do is down at the bottom of our paper, we're going to add them. So 72 plus 72. I'm going to put a check mark just to help myself out and be like, okay, I did put that in my big formula. Plus 90 plus 90. Check and check. Plus 180 plus 180. Check and check. And that equals. Does anyone know what that equals? If you want to pause the video right here and add it up yourself, please do so. All right, I take it you guys all pause the video, and our total is 684 inches squared. So we're always squaring. I'm going to put that as a little note right here. Always square surface area. Okay, so our total surface area is 684 inches squared. Okay, well, I hope that this helped you. And if you have any other questions, please leave either a comment below, or you can send me a message on email or Google Classroom. And tomorrow we're going to be doing some fun stuff as well. But please work on the IXL for today, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.